The sobering new milestone in this pandemic, nearly 700,000 lives lost, now the deadliest pandemic in U.S. history. But tonight, with that number, comes new hope tonight for a potential new weapon. Drug maker Merck announcing a new pill and antiviral treatment for people who have symptoms. So encouraged by what they were seeing, they cut their trials short and will ask for emergency authorization right away. Merck saying this COVID pill reduces the risk of hospitalization and death by up to 50%. But authorities warn it will not be a replacement for the effectiveness seen in these vaccines. And tonight, California, now the first state that will require COVID vaccinations for school children once it's fully approved by the FDA. And late today, Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor denying a request to block New York City's vaccine mandate for school employees. So that deadline to be vaccinated by today remained in place. But of course, a lot of attention tonight, a lot of hope for this new COVID pill. Dr. Jaws here. And here's ABC's Whit Johnson here in New York.
Tonight, a potential game changer in the battle against the virus. The first antiviral medication specifically designed to treat COVID-19. Pharmaceutical giant Merck announcing that trials show its new drug, molnupiravir, may cut the risk of hospitalization or death in half.
This is a pill. You can take it home, and it will significantly reduce the risk that you either ultimately are hospitalized or, more importantly, that you would ever face the unfortunate outcome of death.
The drug course consists of 4 pills taken every 12 hours for 5 days, beginning soon after testing positive. The trial included 775 patients with mild to moderate COVID who had at least one risk factor for severe disease. After 29 days, no deaths reported in patients who received the drug, compared to 8 deaths in patients who got a placebo. The drug also appeared to be effective against variants of concern like the Delta strain.
To take something which is such a devastating disease like COVID-19 and hopefully turns it into something that's manageable.
Merck saying the results of their phase 3 trial were so promising, they ended it more than a month early with support from the FDA and plan to apply for emergency use authorization within days.
The news of the efficacy of this particular antiviral is obviously very good news. They will be submitting their data to the FDA imminently. The data are impressive.
While other treatments like monoclonal antibodies require patients to be infused at a hospital or clinic, these pills would only need a prescription and could be taken at home. Data on 2 more antiviral drugs from Pfizer and Roche are also expected in the coming months. But health officials insist they are not replacements for the vaccine.
Vaccination is our best defense against COVID-19. We have the scientific tools needed to put an end to this pandemic.
Across the country, a sweeping push for vaccine mandates. California today becoming the first state in the nation to require the vaccine for all students as soon as it gets final FDA approval for each age group.
We want to end this pandemic. We are all exhausted by it.
The governor pointing out that schools already require multiple vaccines for diseases like measles and mumps, saying vaccines work. And in New York City, despite protests and a last-minute appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, which was denied, time running out late today for school staff to get vaccinated or lose their jobs by Monday.
It wasn't an easy decision because, I'm giving up first and foremost how I support my family. I'm a single mom.
Still, the city saying 90% of school employees now have at least one shot.
This mandate has worked. And the goal was to protect kids, including our youngest kids who can't be vaccinated yet.
And tonight, word of another breakthrough infection. The Supreme Court confirming Justice Brett Kavanaugh has tested positive for COVID-19. He's been vaccinated since January and is currently showing no symptoms. And David, we're learning it was Supreme Court Justice Sonia Sotomayor who denied that request for an emergency injunction against New York City's vaccine mandate for school employees. She has the power to make that call because she oversees the Second Circuit, including New York. Sotomayor did not release a statement and did not refer the matter to the full court for a vote. David?
All right, Whit Johnson, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.